So I thought I'd make this a little video. This car's automatic. It's getting a manual trans, new engine. And I couldn't find any videos on how to get these pedals out of the Gen 3 Camaro 89. So I thought I'd make a little video and show what nuts and what connectors have to get unplugged and disconnected. So if you look right here, those two studs right there, there's two nuts on those. And then you can kind of see the ones behind on the other side. Right there, I still have one on the top. And then all these white connectors up here. They go to the brake lights on the brake switch. So and then I disconnected this cable right here from the brake pedal. There's just a little clip. You pull it off, pop this linkage off. And then yeah, as you can see, it's pretty loose now. So yeah, just take off those nuts. And then I almost got this one off up there. And then yeah, whole assembly will come out. You can throw in the new pedals, which are over here somewhere. It's the old trans, or that's the new trans. Yeah, this thing got a whole new axle, new springs. It's pro-charged. Where are those pedals at? Here's the assembly with the pedals. So yeah, it's just going right in there. And so hopefully this helps somebody out. I mean, I couldn't find any videos on it. I just been kind of tinkering on it, trying to figure it out after I got the center console out and all labeled. So yeah, just those four nuts, 5 connectors, and then the linkage. And then there's a couple nuts over here for the gas pedal, but I'm not taking that out. I'm just taking out the brake pedal. So yeah. So there's the assembly for the brake. Forgot to show there's one nut right here as well. So 2, 4, 5, and then the 2 connectors for the brake light, and then what other connectors are in your way, and then just give it a little pull and it'll come right out.